In 5, 4.
My name is Ben Carl. I'm a software engineer on the monetization team.
My name is Calla Foyt. I'm on the DevOps team.
Hi, I'm Gautam Arora. I'm a developer evangelist in the architecture team in New York.
I'm Matt. I'm a software engineer with Copilot Core. I work on the content APIs.
Hello, I'm Jason Bradshaw. I'm a DevOps engineer on the DevOps team in Austin, Texas.
Nola Stowe. I am software engineer and test too.
Noah Sager, aviator.
My favorite session was about emojis and Unicode.
They talked by Walmart and they talked about how they increased the performance of their application.
I thought the keynotes were really inspirational. I learned a lot from them.
One of them, there was a guy from ThoughtWorks who was giving a presentation on evolvable architecture.
The talk about mapping versus architecture. How do we understand who we're building for and make sure that we connect the value of our code to the people who use it?
How open source is similar to entrepreneurship.
Let's see, there was something about GraphQL. Everybody's talking about GraphQL.
The goal of technical leadership being to create environments where the people here can do the best work of their lives.
Nifty things about Go.
There were talks around Nginx, PWAs, and chatbots that I really enjoyed.
I think that a lot of times at companies, it's really easy to get into a bubble with the other people that you work with because you all want to achieve the same goals, and there's always been a certain way of achieving, goals A, B, and C.
It's easy to get stale sometimes in what you do and how you think about problems and things like that. And
I think the biggest benefit was to kind of reconnect to the broader open source ecosystem.
It's an opportunity to see recipes and examples that are available from other organizations that have successfully embraced open source culture internally.
Just being exposed to new ideas and new information.
It's easy to kind of get hidden away in your corner of it, and seeing the whole landscape kind of represented in one place is awesome.
There's other people who are doing things differently or have had different experiences, and just being able to listen to that and take it all in is really useful, I think.
I want to, look into bringing some of these awesome open source tools into our team, and hopefully, if they don't meet our needs, hopefully contributing back to them.
It'd be nice to give back to the community since we leverage, a lot of open source technologies here ourselves.
The talks fade away in the background, and what comes in front are people that you feel are role models in their communities, and you aspire to be one of them.
I got asked at least 5 separate times at OSCON, why is Condé Nast sponsoring OSCON?
A lot of them were like, oh, Ars Technica. Oh, you guys own Wired. Oh, that's right, yeah.
Yeah, actually, a lot of folks came up to me at the party as well as at the booth, and they were asking about why Condé Nast was at OSCON. And I think,
why does anyone sponsor OSCON? Because we want to support open source.
It's great for people to just see the Condé brand. A lot of people asked me what Condé did and they had no idea, so it was nice to educate them about what we're trying to do, and I think they all seemed pretty genuinely excited that an old publishing company like Condé Nast is so serious about technology.
my advice to anyone going to a conference would be to connect.
Find those that sound maybe a little more in depth than you typically would.
Don't be afraid to talk to people.
Find someone who's been before and ask them what they suggest.
Take notes.
The people who are doing interesting work are accessible to you, so talk to them.
Limit your distractions, make the most of it,
You can learn equally interesting things talking to your peers outside of the talks as you can from sitting in an audience in a talk.
Wear comfortable shoes.
Find those tough technical topics. Go to those talks, those are the best ones.
I'm really happy that Condé was gracious enough to send me down here, and maybe I'll come back again sometime soon.
I think the most important thing I've taken away from it is to give back to my open source community.
Go to a conference.
I encourage the world, give back to open source.
Let's meet up in Portland next time.